Hi guys, I want to show you how to change your default knob to a power knob. So this is the power knob that I got. It's from Lure Deals 101, and I have my stradic. It's a 2019 model. The materials that you need to use is, of course, a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, small screwdriver. This is a multi-tool. Okay, so first I'm going to remove the knob from this reel so I can, move freely. To remove it, just hold this from here and then turn it clockwise. Okay, to remove. So counterclockwise is to tighten the arm. Okay. Okay, now it's okay, I'm done. And then secondly, to remove the default knob, I need this tool. Just do it like this. Can you see, guys? There. So now it's removed. Now you can see the screw. Then you need a Phillips screwdriver to remove it. Okay. There you go. Disassemble now. Okay. So there is one Phillips screw, and this is the rubber bearing. You can also use this one, or you can use the one that comes with it. Actually, this is a set. So the set is for the reels that you cannot remove the knob. You need to drill it and replace it with this. For Daiwa LT is already like this. You can remove the knob. It's already screwed, and not like the old version where you need to totally remove it, like drill it from here. Okay, now it's already disassembled, so we'll remove this one and keep it here. By the way, we need to get the screw, and there is one bearing here, guys. See, small bearing. Okay, so we'll use this one as well. Okay, so put it there and we'll keep it there. So now you have it. There you go. You have one bearing, rubber bearing, and the screw. Okay, these are the set of screws and the shaft. This is the knob. Okay, it's really nice. So now to remove it, instead of using this, okay, so as you can see, it's a bit small. This is wider, so to prevent from scratching this, I'm going to use this multi-tool. But if you don't have this one, you can also use this one. Yeah. Okay, so just put it like this and turn it clockwise. Okay, to remove. There you go. Let's remove it. Okay, put it aside, and okay, this one also. Now all you need to do is check it out if this will fit correctly, or you need to put some additional washers or bearing. Okay, let's check. Okay, so far so good. It fits well, so that's a good thing about the power knob from Lure Deals 101. By the way, guys, I'm using a Shimano 3000. As per the knob, It will fit from 3000, 4000 and 5000 size reel. And then from there you need to put the bearing, the small bearing. Let's see how can okay, I just drop it there. Okay, there you go. Let me just double check. Okay, so I need to use the small one. Okay, there you go. I put it inside, and to follow with the screw, and then slide it inside. There you go. And then screw it tight. Okay. Okay. There you go. There is a small gap, guys. See. To remove the small gap, you need to use a washer. So we need to remove it again because there is a small gap. Unscrew. Okay. Leave the bearing there. And a washer. So we need to put it back. Okay. So I'll put it here. Okay, there you go. And carefully put it back and locked it. Let's tighten it. Okay, that's it. And then put this back again. Okay, there you go. And then the cover. Yeah, to screw it, it's counterclockwise, guys. Okay. Then now you can tighten again. Okay, that's it. So now you have your new power knob. It's really simple, guys, to assemble. Let's check it out. I'll put it here on my reel. By the way, guys, my reel is size 3000. There you go, guys. Now it's more better, more comfort, more grip, so you have more power. Really nice, guys. Check it out. Okay, it's available in Lure Deals 101, guys, with different colors. So I just choose a black one. There you go, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you like the video.